oil-contaminated beaches, details matter because it's important to keep the oil from penetrating deeper layers of sand that are still intact. BeachTech beach cleaners gently scrape the contaminated sand surface with a pickup blade. The screening technology and particularly fine screening belts are used to separate the oil from the sand. BeachTech beach cleaners are thus an important addition to manual beach cleaning in response to oil spills. With BeachTech's screening technology, only the contaminated oil or sand layer is removed. Deeper sand layers remain undamaged.